For 18 years, Shanghai Unibridge has been dedicated to providing reliable solutions with fasteners and CNC solutions. We are a stable and creative team with nearly 150 staff. We own standardized production factories, professional testing laboratories, and independent warehouses. Every production procedure follows strict management systems. Our product portfolio covers diversified industrial products, including standard fasteners, customized non-standard parts, and high-precision machining components. Whether for general industrial use or customized engineering requirements, we provide tailored solutions for global clients. Quality is the core of our manufacturing philosophy. Supported by an experienced technical team and high-precision testing equipment, we carry out comprehensive and strict inspections from raw materials to finished products. Every item maintains excellent stability, accuracy, and durability. We maintain sufficient stock for standard parts to support quick delivery. For non-standard products, we provide efficient customization services according to drawings and samples. Authorized by ISO 9001 and IATF 16949, we deliver consistent quality that meets international industrial standards. We are proud to serve customers from over 160 countries with our diverse product range.